In a world forgotten by time, a young boy awakens to find everything he worked for gone, stolen by a band of thieves. He sets out on an epic quest to find the treasure from a lost tomb. He will have to venture deep through the dangerous traps and winding passageway. Oh, except it wasn't like that. This is a tale of an actual Egyptian boy, Haji. He lived a normal Egyptian life, and no, he never went into a tomb. He stayed at home and he went to school to learn how to read and write. When he became older, he would learn how to go adventuring though. Wait, nope. Never learned how to adventure. He just learned how to do his father's trade, and that trade was less exciting. He learned how to be a farmer.